Miss Mariam going to respond it.
May it please Malende. Council Shami Malende, appearing together with Council Sero Bruno, Council Wagaba Ismail, and Mama Lina Zedriga Waru.
Sorry?
Lina Zedriga Waru.
Waru.
Yes.
All the four are for the applicants.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah.
My lord, we are supposed to be joined by our other colleagues, our council, Moizi, Samuel, and
we have them when they appear.
yes, my lord. My lord, we have just received instructions to join in this matter.
Who has just received? All the ones you've mentioned, or
Yes, my lord.
all the council you
This matter. And my lord, the Lord service is already filed and on court record. The notice of instructions is already filed and on court record. I hope it is there, my lord. Maybe I can give you a spare copy. Yes. My lord,
can we have some silence, please?
my lord, as I earlier mentioned, my lord, as earlier mentioned, council joined by council Elotu Jonathan, one of the council for the applicant. Council Elotu.
Each application is mentioned because they are separate.
Yes.
Who is for A1? Because A1
We
is
are all
forward.
for, yes.
You're all for A1?
Yes. So my lord, joined by Council Elotu Jonathan and Council Samuel Moise. Council Samuel Moise. Elotu Jonathan and Council My lord, we are also joined by Council Elias Nalukola Luyimbazi. Nalukola Elias Luyimbazi. And my lord,
right?
yes, MS Malend and co-advocates. That's
So
for
you're
the
saying
fresh
the
ones.
whole law firm?
Yes, that's the fresh ones that I've mentioned, my lord. But for Council
And I only have a practicing certificate for Miss Shamin Malende. So I don't know who else is in Shamin Malende and Company Advocates.
maybe others, my lord, can submit.
This application is a simple one. We don't need like 10 lawyers. Because if Shamin Malende's law firm is inclusive of 7 lawyers, let's divide ourselves between the different accused persons. So if we have A1, talk to yourselves and say A1 for this. We can't have all of you.
My lord, we shall.
Because now what I have, the additional notice of, is Shamin Malende. I don't have Nalukola. I don't have, because the previous...
My lord, first I apologize. May it please you, my lord. My name for the record is Samuel Muyezi Mulindwa. We seek your indulgence. May make general application for all principals.
Let's do the applications are separate. I created 4 separate files, so I want to do each per se.
We apply.
Yeah.
We apply.
Also corrected.
Yes, my lord. Three, 6. See, paragraph A of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, sections 14 and 15 of the Trial on Indictments Act, rules 2 and 4 of the Judicature Criminal Procedure Applications Rules.
If I may guide,
Yes.
the procedure you're giving is already on record, yeah? The documentation speaks for
Yes, yes,
itself.
my lord.
If you could go straight to some of what you need to specifically point out.
Yes, my lord.
Yeah.
The applicant, Boby Wine Achilleo
Yeah?
is before you for grant of orders for him to be admitted on bail.
Yes, please.
My lord, the applicant has been in custody.
We could mention the time when he was arrested,
He was,
how long he's been in. Yeah.
yes, the applicant was arrested
It was in custody. You wanted to mention the time.
on the 20th date of February 2025.
28th.
20th of February.
Yes, please.
My lord, he was arraigned before the Chief Magistrate's Court of Masaka
Yes, please.
on the 26th date of February 2025.
2 days after arrest.
6 days.
6 days. Arrested on the 28th, right?
And on the 20th of
20th.
February,
Okay, yeah. Noted.
arraigned on the 26th of February 2025, was remanded to Masaka prison. My lord, he was charged.
So in calculation, how long has he been in custody to this day?
To this date, since February, my colleagues will make a quick count.
These people are here to help you, the people who are detaining them. If you do the counting, cancel shaming. Doesn't yeah. Just work with them to see the thing, because it's good for record purposes. Yeah. We can proceed. We need to note that we don't have all day. I have other matters, yeah? Yeah.
100, over 100 my lord, 174 days.
174 days.
Yes.
Yes? was charged
for aggravated simple robbery
yes,
and assault occasioning actual bodily harm. My lord, the detail is in the charge sheet attached to the application.
yes,
My lord, the said offences are triable and bailable by this honorable court. His application is supported by his affidavit dated the 28th of March 2025.
yes, please.
My lord, the application is premised under Article 23 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda,
Article what?
23, my lord, which guarantees the enjoyment of the applicant to the right to liberty,
Yes,
my lord, the said right to liberty has been adjudicated upon in several authorities my lord, one of them being Kanyamunyu Matthew Muyongoma. Matthew Muyongoma. High Court Criminal. Cause number 177 of 2017.
yes,
Arising from criminal case number 039 of 2017.
criminal case number what?
39 of 2017.
Yes, please.
Before the Honorable Justice
What does the case
J.W.
say?
Kwesige of Colonel Retired Dr. Kiza Besigye.
What does Kanyamunyu say?
Yes.
What does Kanyamunyu say?
Kanyamunyu, it is a general principle.
Can you mention the general principle?
The general principle, my lord, on page 3.
Yeah.
First, it provides the factors that are paramount to consider. But besides the general principle under Article 23 of the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda, which provides that a person whose liberty has been deprived by imprisonment before trial or when not serving a sentence be free to apply for bail. The discretion remains in the hands of this court to grant or not to grant in the interest of justice and the society as a whole,
Yes, please.
and the interest of the society as a whole. That is the major principle. My Lord, in retired Colonel Dr. Kiza Besigye, Criminal miscellaneous application number 229. Application number. The Honorable Ogola asserted the sanctity of this right in the following terms. Death is to life. My lord, he went on and on, but for brevity, the learned Ogola brought out the actual essence of curtailing someone's liberty, especially when they have a constitutional right to the same, which can only be denied upon failure to fulfill a few conditions, such as, my lord, the absence of sureties that would stand. My lord, with the application before you, we filed particulars of sureties.
So we are now going to shoot.
Yes, yes.
So you're saying in the application, you're pointing out the right to liberty.
The right to liberty, my lord, first of all.
So surety number 1.
Surety number 1, my lord, is the Honorable Wakaima Musoke Hannington Nsereko.
Can we have space for the sureties, please? Yes. Can we have all the 3 so that we go through them for purposes of time? Can you give space to them, please? On record, I have Wakaima Musoke.
Honorable